Okay, so we start off at a normal Google site. We're gonna plug in that link that we had. It's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. So you'll see it looks like this. Click, and it looks a little sus, but this is it. So you're gonna add the extension to your Chrome so that way you can use it. Yes, we're gonna add the extension, and then once the extension has been added, it's already in your account, right? From there, you go to your email, whatever that is, and this is just a email account that I have that I don't use very often for a lot of things. So as you can tell, it's been since 2025 since I've seen that email. But go to the extension, and it's going to do its thing. You just need to let it work because it has to do with the website and all of that. I'm going to pause this video while it's doing that, and then I'll come back to it once it has. Okay, once it's all said and done, your page loads and does all it's going to do. You come back in to the contact extractor and look, it has pulled out all of the email addresses on this page that it can find for whatever reason. So you copy them all, find some version of a spreadsheet that you have. Your spreadsheets that have first name, last name, email, and phone. Ideally, this is just email, and we can work with that. You'll copy and paste that list and go from there. Now, again, this will pull out as many emails, but I advise going in there to verify that the emails are correct. If there are names, then you can put their names in there. So like this is a test account for me, which I know. So I can just go ahead and put my own name in there. If you know phone number is great. If you don't, not a showstopper, because the email address is what we really are going to rely on for email marketing and campaigns. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know, and we'll go from there.
Running a business is about focus. It's about having the right environment to do your best work. It's about the systems that keep you organized and ensure your clients remain at the heart of everything you do. If this gave you direction today, we're building systems like this inside the Skool community, so your business actually feels easier to run day to day. Join us when you're ready. You'll find the link in the description box. We are excited to build with you.